In this video from Sharp, we're taking a look at shifting the decimal place or decimal point on your XEA207 or 177 cash registers. In this video I'm using the 207, but the process is the same across the range. So I'm in the UK, so we use two decimal places, so our till displays are always 0.00 as standard, and if we type in 100 into the register and assign it to a department button, we sell 1.00, so that is £1 sterling through the till. That's our standard system. I'm doing a bit of research into this. Yeah, that is the most popular way or most common way of doing it around the world. Countries pretty much across Europe, Korea, Australia, the US, Canada, India, plenty of countries around the world use that system, but a lot don't. So for example, if you're in Iceland, Japan, Chile, Paraguay, Rwanda, Uganda, plenty of other places, you'll have no decimal places, so that till setup is incorrect for you. Obviously Sharp manufacture these machines for worldwide distribution, so presumably they put on the most common feature, so the most amount of people have it set correctly for them, but it's fairly easy to change. So in this video I'm just going to show you the different ways you can have the decimal places set up or the decimal point set up. It's really easy to change, and I'll just show you some examples. So all you need to do is to go to the program mode by pressing mode, and then you can either arrow down to line 6 or just press 6, and then TLNS takes you into program. You then go down to setting because we're adjusting the program, and then we're looking for the line that says optional, which is line 8. TLNS to enter, and then we go straight into basic system. So these are kind of like the system settings for this register, and then the line we're looking for says tab. So you can see there it's currently set to 2. If we want to change that, we press the #TMST button, and it brings up the different. You've got 4 different options, so 2's correct for me, but if you want to change it to 0, which I think would be the next most popular worldwide, you arrow up to 0, highlight it, TLNS, TLNS again, and then escape cancel 3 times until you return to the main total screen. So there you can see we've just got 0, so if you at the start of the video it said 0.00, now we've just got 0. And if we type in that 100 and put it into a department, it's 100. Right, remember at the start of the video, when I type in 100 in the UK, I get 1.00, which is £1. So we've shifted the decimal place. That's all we're doing effectively. So from my understanding, that's the next most common way of having the decimal point set up on the registers. Okay, so if we take a look at another one, there's actually 4 in total. Back to program, back to setting, back down to line 8 optional, and then into basic system. We're looking for the line that says tab. It's now set to 0. If we change it to 1, TLNS to save and to come out of it, and then escape cancel 3 times, we've now got 0.1. I couldn't find any examples of this, so I'm kind of doing it out of curiosity just to see what it looks like. So when you type in 100, you get 10.0. Type in 1000, you get 100.0. As I said, I don't think that's very common, if used at all, anywhere in the world. So to change it again, program mode, setting, line 8 optional, basic system, and then tab down to. I did find a few countries using the free system, mainly in the Middle East. If you feel I've got a country wrong or anything, send me a message, by the way, because I'm not an expert, but I found this was used in Iraq, Kuwait and Libya, according to the internet anyway. So you can see there, it looks different straight away. We type in 100, it's 0.100, and then 1000 is 1.000, and so on and so on. So I'm going to finish by setting mine back to the most popular and the one that's applicable for me. Setting, line 8 optional, basic system, tab, and then if you're in the UK, most of Europe, North America and plenty of other places around the world, then you want this system set up. If you feel your country hasn't been covered, or you've got a different way of working and you want me to show you how to do that on the register, then by all means send me a message through YouTube. You can also check out the video links appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.